Get in there.
Oh, nice try. To dive? Oh my God, your life is so hard.
Nice.
Yeah, you can. I'm going to be home if you want. You can if you want. Okay.
Oh, good job.
Yeah, if that's what you want to do, but you're welcome to bring them.
That's enough.
Nice, Maddie.
Good job, Maddie.
Oh. They were gonna sing Kumbaya there for a minute. They were holding hands.
Oh, he's a very what kind of dog? Say that again. Oops, you're cutting out. I'll have to talk to you later. Bye. He's on his motorcycle. Yes. It's sweet. Yes.
You know, it sounds like he has a cold whenever he's on his mic.
He's right. He has to go diving in Tahoe this week. And Allison's not going because they didn't want to ask us to watch the dog again.
Why?
I don't know, maybe she didn't really want to go.
That could be. It's a good place to it's a good place to learn to dive.
Yeah, he's teaching a class. That's it.
Go. Come on, girl.
You again? Okay. I will. I love you too, buddy. Bye. Get in there. He said his call dropped, but he didn't get. He said.